What's up, YouTube? I got my Pelican Sprint kayak, and if any of y'all seen one of these, or if y'all have one, y'all may be asking, well, it doesn't look like a normal Pelican. Well, that's because it's not a normal Pelican Sprint. I've converted it into a fishing kayak, and I'm gonna go over some of the features that we installed on it. And this kayak is gonna be in some of my future videos, since I'm starting fishing and hunting on this channel. So what I first want to do is, what I really want to get to is, this kayak is really light. Almost anyone can carry it. I mean, I can walk with it, but the thing is, it's really cheap than some of the fishing kayaks on the market. I mean, sure, you can go get a $300 to anywhere from $300 to $900 on one of the top ship shape kayaks, but you don't really need that. To be honest, you don't need these elastic bands, you don't need the closed hatch and these fish rod holders, and the deck hooks where you can hook up your ropes to the dock and stuff. You don't need that. All you need is just a normal kayak, a fishing rod, and a place to store all your gear, which is gonna be inside here since it's a sit-in. Now, I'm gonna go over these features and how they work. I've installed these that you can tie a rope to and put on a dock or hook it up to something. And they have this water plug here. You pull it, flip it over, and you can get all the water out of it. They have this back rod holder that I use for just letting the bait trail my kayak, and I have a front one up here, and I have another one right here. Now all these, I had to buy all this. This didn't come with the package. This hatch is a 9-inch deep hatch that you can get at Academy for under $9. It goes my, see, I put my rod holder up in here. This is a Scotty rod holder that you install up here. You can set it on here like this. You can move it around. And here, back here, is a rod holder. A rod holder. Got these elastic bands for putting like your tackle box or your backpack. And this is a dry hatch for storing stuff. You can pull it in there. I got this little feature where you can just pull everything. And it is waterproof. I tested it on a fishing trip in South Texas. So you're not gonna go wrong with this. These right here costed about $7 where I was. Where in the academy that I went to. This costed about anywhere from $9 to $11. This costed anywhere from $15 to $24. Depends on where you're at. And these costed about $2 something. And yeah, that's about it on the kayak. I mean, you could put your phone and stuff up in here, your backpack and tackle box if you're going somewhere. And it just pulls out like this. You can just pull it out like that. You could tell where we cut it out at. We cut it all out in here. Pretty dirty from a fishing trip, I'll say that. Alright, I'm gonna put this back on real quick. Alright, I got it back on. Yeah, it has a lot of advantages mobily. Because online, if you go to the Academy website, I think they said it only weighed about 26 pounds. And it's real easy to maneuver around from fishing spot to fishing spot if you're going to multiple fishing spots. It's a wide body, so you can easily stand in it if you had to. And this seat back here is not the best seat, but it's pretty comfortable. This kayak is very stable. I normally hold all my gear in here. I normally have like some snacks over here and a bottle of water and my tackle box right here and my backpack over there. And I normally have my phone and another tackle box and some more stuff on these elastic bands. And yeah, that's about it. Expect this kayak to be in future videos, fishing videos. And yeah, I'll see y'all guys later. Peace.